Hi beautiful people, I am Rosemary and in this video I'll be showing you how I made this butter for strong and soft hair for length retention and maintenance. I will be using avocado oil. I bought it at Take A Lot. You can also buy it at Woolworths, Clicks or Discount. The second oil is coconut oil. Just make sure to buy the organic one. The third one is olive oil. This one you can get it anywhere. Just make sure that it's 100%. And then the last ingredient is shea butter. I bought this at Clicks. I think it was less than 30 rands and it's also organic, optional. I use 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. So my hair loves coconut oil and that's why I'm using it in high amount. I have listed some of the essential benefits in text, and the most important one is that it moisturizes my hair very well, and I'm sure it's gonna moisturize yours too. And then the second ingredient is the shea butter, which is the main ingredient. So I'll be using 4 tablespoons as well, and it's going to assist with forming that creamy finish, and it combines all the ingredients perfectly. It's very hard at room temperature, so mixing it with other ingredients softens it a bit. So I started by melting the coconut oil and the shea butter together via the hot water bath so that I can add the other oils in liquid form. The third ingredient is avocado oil. I will be using 1 tablespoon. So this oil is very good with strengthening the hair, which assists with length retention. The last ingredient is olive oil. I used 2 tablespoons. So olive oil assists with softening the hair as well as reducing the split ends. After mixing all the ingredients, I will pour boiling water into a container to create a hot water bath, then mix the oils again for consistency. I will then transfer the oils into the final container and leave it there to cool down. After cooling down, I started mixing the oils and butter like this. So if you have a mixer, you can use it here to produce a creamy butter. And finally, this is our butter for softening hair. On washed and dry hair, I will spray some water, then apply the butter. Please note that I apply more on the hair ends because they are very fragile, so they need extra protection. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, or subscribe. And if you can, please share the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.